Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to post from eBay to WordPress. Under WordPress Automatic Plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select eBay as the campaign type. Write your desired keywords. Set desired number of posts. Select the desired source. Select the category. We can define a custom subcategory. We can post auctions, bins, or both. Returned item order can be specified here. We can set a price range. We can also post from top-rated sellers only. Activate this option to search the description. Activate this option if you want to post only free shipping items. Activate this if you want to grab the detailed item specifications. The plugin can also grab description iframe. The plugin can also post all item pictures. Activate if you want to redirect visitor if the item end date reached. The plugin can also trash ended auctions. Set other optional options. Click Publish. Now the campaign is published and ready for processing. Click Run now. New post added successfully. Affiliate link set automatically. We can run the campaign as many times as we like. We can also set an update interval where the plugin will post automatically from minutes to days. New post added successfully. Thank you for watching.